Welcome to the Oddities Emporium. It used to be Weasley's Wizarding Wheezes, but it got a fresh paint job and a new owner. And now it's filled with oddities and curiosities of all kinds. The new owner has visited the strangest corners of the world and filled his shop with extraordinary oddities and creepy curiosities. Do come in and look around, but don't get lost, because you may become part of the collection. And the collection is quite vast. There's all sorts of goodies here, including taxidermy, a whalebone staircase, plague doctor masks, ancient carved altars and werewolf heads, polar bears and mummies, monkeys, phoenixes, Roman sculpture, more plague doctor masks, human skulls and rare gems, and a myriad of other delights. Do visit soon.